So we've ridden this area several times, but it's always been wet and really hard packed. And today it's dried out and very soft. And it's hilarious watching these boys fight the soft sand. Oh, such good memories growing up. So here we have yet another instance of the smoke from forest fires blocking out the sun. What you're looking at, that dot above my house, that's the sun, and it's a strange orange color. It's weird because it should be hot right now. You know, it's a perfectly clear day, but it's actually pretty freaking cold because the sun's being blocked. Weird, man. Weird. I wanted to show this here. We'll get up close. All of this that you're seeing on the car here, this is all ash that has fallen out of the sky from all of the forest fires going on all over Oregon right now. Large amounts of ash. The car is coated in it, truck's coated in it, porch, house, everything's coated in ash. And it's darker to my right. That's north, and that's where a large majority of the smoke's blowing in from. But the sky is completely orange. Very, very weird. So this is an interesting effect of the forest fire smoke. It's blocking out the sun. You can see the large amount of fog. Now I'm used to fog in this area. We get heavy fog like this, you know, a couple times a month maybe. But here's a look down the other side of the road. Just visibility is very, very low. And I've never seen anything like this for as long as this has been going on. It's been 5 days straight of fog like this all day, each day. Very, very strange. And if I were to guess, it's because the smoke is blocking out the light, the heat from the sun. It's resulting in cooler air temperatures. And because the air temperature is substantially cooler than the ground temperature, we're getting fog and lots of it. And for days and days and days in a row. You can't see it, but at the end of this road is a highway. And straight out here across the bay is a beautiful big bridge that you can't see also. Very weird. So here is that beautiful bridge I was telling you about. Just looks like we're driving into a cloud. Can't see anything. And it's unfortunate you can't see anything because this is a really pretty view. If you've seen some of my videos riding the bike, I've videoed crossing this bridge a couple of times. It's beautiful. But you'd never guess. You can just barely make out some of the steel structure we're about to enter. Super weird. Super weird. Just fog everywhere. Can't see anything. So I wanted to put out a real quick video just to say hi, let everybody know I'm still alive. I haven't put out any kind of real structured video since the Zip series, just because that was a major, like, 4-year project. And I'm just taking a break from big projects. So I'm just, you know, once a month-ish, poking out a random video. But there's a lot of stuff, a lot of subjects that I can't speak freely about on YouTube for fear of being demonetized, or worse yet, having my channel shut down. And these things are a big part of my life. I grew up around hunting irons. I'm trying to be careful here. Bang sticks. I grew up around them. They've always been a part of my life. It's a hobby of mine. I invest a large amount of time and effort and money into them. And super excited about the 3D printer because I hinted at it in the last video of things I printed with it related to that other hobby that I can't share with you. And it's unfortunate because some of them are very, very cool. Some of the things I printed and tested to be fully functional would blow you away. But I can't share it with you. It's unfortunate. For fear of getting demonetized. Not that that really frickin' matters, but worse yet would be, you know, having the channel shut down, because it's kind of fun. I kind of enjoy it, and people tend to give a crap about, you know, my projects and things I'm doing. So I don't want the channel shut down. It's just unfortunate in this particular climate that speech and thought, if you don't believe a certain thing or you don't think a certain way, that there are massive attempts to stifle that sort of speech. And it's unfortunate, you know. I'm a staunch believer in freedom of speech and the Second Amendment. And, you know, all speech, even if I don't like it, you still have a right to say it. And unfortunately, YouTube doesn't agree with that. Google doesn't agree with that. Yeah. So, unfortunately, I can't show you guys a large portion of my life and things that I'm doing. Rest assured, I rarely sleep. I'm always doing something. I always have a project going. But I can't always share them with you. So, to my subscribers, thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Not that there's much to talk about or rate on this video, but rate and comment. We'll see you guys sometime on the next state-approved video of what I can and can't say.